I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you?
Hello guys, so currently we are here in Mactan International Airport. So, actually medyo awkward kasi sinabi ko na to kanina or na-rant ko siya earlier but di ko napansin, di pala siya naka-record. And hinintay ko na makaalis yung may tao kasi sa gilid ko kanina. Hinintay ko makaalis siya kasi he was there like I think halfway through na nagsasalita ako. But anyway, we're here in Mactan International Airport because we're going to Japan. So, medyo stressful siya na flight. Like, it's not because of the airline, but I think it's more of the circumstances na nangyari. Though, yeah, I really feel like. So, back story. I'm really interested or intending to go to see NCT Dream again for TDS4. The thing is, wala silang Philippine stop. So, hinintay ko na mag-announce sila ng Japan stop. So, the day na nirelease na nila yung information, I was so happy kasi may Saitama, which is my hometown. The thing is, natapat siya sa weekend ng birthday ng mama ko. So, I don't have any choice but to catch up para maka-attend sa day 2 nila. That time day 2 kasi 2 days pa lang. So, I booked a flight or the earliest flight na makakarating ako sa Japan by Sunday or sa 16. And ang nakita ko is via Cebu. So, 2 a.m. sa Cebu, lilipad kami din. Darating ako dun mga 8 something, ganyan. So, yun yung binook ko kasi 8, andun na ako. So, mayroon pa akong oras para to drop off my luggage, to do the things that I want to do. Siguro, mag-ayos, ganyan. So, naset na siya sa mind ko. Sabi ko, okay, may nahanap akong shower room sa Narita. So, pwede pa akong magbihis, maligo, ganyan-ganyan. So, I was happy. So, settled na ako doon. The next thing is, I have to book a local flight from Davao to Cebu because I'm from Davao and we don't have a direct flight to Japan. So, I have to look for a local flight. The thing is, may SebPass ako. So, tiningnan ko yung SebPass. Ano yung mga options from Davao to Cebu na timing makakarating ako sa Cebu before the international flight. So, ang nahanap ko is gabi ng 15, which makes sense already kasi by then, tapos na kami kumain together with my family to celebrate my mom's birthday. So, yun. Dalawang option yung nakita ko na medyo okay sa akin. The first one is 9 p.m. flight and darating ako doon dito, I think mga 10. I think. The second one is 11 p.m. Then, darating ako dito mga 12 a.m.-ish. Ganyan. At dahil ayoko ng mahabang layover, I took the risk and I booked the 11 p.m. flight. So, yun. So, nasa mind ko na okay, pagdating ko ng Cebu, marathon na to, tatakbo ako papuntang international terminal, ganyan-ganyan. So, set na ako, okay na ako doon. Walang problema. Then, I also search if ilan hours bago magka-close yung check-in gate or check-in counter rather. So, pasok naman. So, sabi ko, okay, Kebs, kaya na to. Tapos, here comes D-Day. Kanina, pagdating ko ng airport, that was around 9 p.m. 9 p.m. ba? Yeah, 9 p.m. Then, while lining up for the check-in counter, I already heard that the 9 p.m. flight to Cebu got delayed. So, tinanong ko yung babae sa check-in counter. Sabi ko, Miss, may possibility kayang ma-delay din flight namin given na delayed yung flight before sa amin. Sabi niya, on time naman po, ma'am. So, sabi ko, okay. Sabi niya, on time eh. Pero I feel like, pero deep inside me, sabi ko, parang delikado to. Pero, Keps, wala nang. Check-in pa rin, wala akong pakialam, so proceed. Then, while waiting sa boarding gate, supposed to be nagbo-board na kami around 10:20 p.m. Then, mga 10:10 na, wala pa rin nangyayari, walang announcement na your aircraft has arrived, like, this is not your boarding announcement, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, ba't wala pang ganun? So, naka-feel na ako na madedelay siya. So, medyo low-key panic na kasi naghahabol nga ng flight si Ateng. Tapos, parang ipit na nga sa oras yung original flight ko for layover. Lalong iipit kasi delayed. So, lumapit ako sa boarding gate counter. May mga, dun staff. So, sabi ko na, may connecting flight po kasi ako, ganito, ganyan. And I feel like, or I'm pretty sure na hindi na ako aabot dun given na delayed yung local flight ko. So, they asked for my reference number para sa Cebu to Narita. Then, they moved my flight from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Initially, I was kinda sad kasi settled na ako na pagdating ko ng Narita, maliligo ako sa airport, tapos pupunta na ako ng Tokyo, then drop off, then go to Saitama. I have enough time. I don't have to rush everything. So, settled na sa mind ko. I'm at peace during that time. Pero when sinabi nila na 5 a.m., then darating ako dun around 10 a.m., 10:40 to be exact. Medyo gumuho mundo. Paano ko aayusin ulit yung na-set ko na flow or itinerary sa aking mind for that day. So, yun. Then, actually, no regrets. I mean, hindi ko rin masisi kasi even though nag-book ako ng 9 p.m. flight, even though bigyan ko ng sarili ko ng enough layover time, they actually departed 5 minutes before us. Like, magkasunod literal yung flight namin. Literal na magkasunod kami dumating dito sa Cebu. So, it doesn't make sense even though mas early or like I took the earlier flight. Hindi pa rin ako makakaabot. So, yeah. So, yun yung mga things na hindi natin masisi. Nating masisi sa nangyari. Kasi yung pilot even explained to us before we departed earlier na may traffic talaga daw, air traffic sa Manila, which is dun sila galing. So, parang na-domino effect siya na delayed sila sa Manila, delayed sila Cebu, delayed sila Manila. So, I think, na lang, ang maganda dun is na-rebook yung flight ko to 5 a.m. So, at least hindi ko na-miss yung 2 a.m. flight ko. So, goods naman. So, right now, it's 3 a.m. 1 hour pa bago boarding. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. So, still waiting. And, yun, siguro ang iniisip ko din, pagdating ko ng Saitama, I still have to deal with people, literal people, kasi may mga transaction ako pending doon for tickets. Kasi, yan, another rant. Bumili ako ng ticket. And, Japan lottery system sa ticketing nila. So basically, you can't choose your seat. Which is fine for me. Totally fine. Pero guys, ang binigay nila na seat sa akin is 4th floor seats, second to the last row. Pagkakita ko nun sa Anypass ko, I mean, sabi ko talaga, oh my God, like, for real ba to? And wala akong magawa kasi yung nabili kong ticket is not from the hindi siya by application parang gen sales kumbaga. Yung mga naiwan na ticket, I feel like binenta na lang nila. Ganun yung nangyari. So, siguro low-key nag-expect lang ako na better seats makuha ko. Pero anyway, so yun yung nakuha kong seats. And nasa isip ko, marami din ako nakikitang nagbebenta online ng mga better seats for a good price. Sabi ko, what if bibili na lang ako tapos ibebenta ko to? Do accept ko na mahirap ibenta yung, my God, second to the last row na 4th floor ticket. Pero sabi ko kasi, yung sadya ko pagpunta ng Japan is to watch the concert. So, might as well, splurge na lang tayo to have a good memory of that concert. Kasi again, I won't be watching other stops for TDS4. This is the one and only na papanoorin ko. Pinatos ko na and nilowball ko na yung pagbenta ng 4th floor ticket na yun, which is good thing may nahanap din akong buyer. So yun, parang, di ba ang daming nangyayari, nalilito na rin ako. Like, super stress. Kanina hindi ko na feel na gutom pala ako. because I was so stressed. I was overthinking a lot of things kasi tinry ko na i-rearrange yung utak ko with the sudden changes sa time. So, I think magwa-what's in my bag na lang tayo sa airplane later. And then, may dala akong carry-on sa IKEA na bag. Actually, damit ko yan na bibihis for the concert. Para mabilis na lang siyang damputin. Actually, pero to be honest, hindi na talaga siya kasha. Later explain ko pagdating sa hotel. Maganda sa Mactan Airport kasi kahit madaling araw or gabi na, marami pa rin bukas, like end to end, bukas lahat. Though may ibang close, pero yeah. So parang kahit madaling araw yung flight mo, may place ka to tambay if early ka or makakakain ka. And if nakalimutan mo bumili ng pasalubong, meron din. They also have water vending machines, and based sa price, it's cheaper compared sa mga binibenta sa ibang stores. And kahit maliit siya, okay lang kasi merong water refilling station malapit sa CR. Part 2, kasi akala ko nasira ko yung machine. Kasi yung binasa ko pala is cashless payment. Meron palang cash. So, dapat una yung bill. Ayan. Ay, shotik ko eh. Wait, kuha akong new bill. Kinain nga na, guys. Yo. Wow. Perfect. Walang pong kita. Pero, mostly yan, mga local flights, yun doon. Yung smaller airports, dito, international. Good. Daming aircraft. So, this is my room. I have a private room on my own, pero shared yung mga CR and bathroom. So, this is like a tatami type of room. And yan yung kutsyon. So, parang need ko lang siya buksan. Then, yun na yung magiging comforter ko. The good thing is, meron siyang mga storage cabinets and all. It's so big for me. Like, compared to other hotels in Japan, this one is big. May sabitan din siya ng mga damit. So, I might come back here the next time I'll go to Japan, specifically Tokyo.
Don't you love when we take our time?